Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. I'm back again with another video, guys. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an inbuilt corset, and if that's what you're looking for, make sure you watch till the end so that you don't miss any of the sewing tips and tricks that I use for this corset. As you can see how neat this is looking, I'm going to be sharing all the details and all the tips and tricks I use in making them, so make sure you watch till the end. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorials, because on this channel we share tutorials of trending design and difficult to sew kind of designs. So if that's what you're looking for, consider subscribing and hitting on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorials. Now for today's video, guys, we need to start up. I'm already ranting. But before I go ahead with this tutorial, I would want to thank all my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you for always supporting and coming back to watch my videos. Continue what you're doing and God will bless us all. Before I go ahead, so you understand what we're learning today. Today we are not learning how to make this corset. I have 4 days I have uploaded videos on how I made this corset, from the pattern drafting to the eyelet to the sewing tutorial to everything. You go ahead and I will drop that in the description section so you know how I achieved that. But today we are going to be learning on how I made this inbuilt corset.
She's cute. She's nice. She's pretty.
So this is the corset we'll be working on. I've made a tutorial on how I drafted this and how I sewed this corset from beginning to end. It was a sew with me tutorial. So if you haven't watched the video on how I made this corset, I'm going to be dropping that in the description section so that you know how I came about all this. You see the cup, very nice. Yeah, so this is the corset we're working on, and on that video you will know that you remember that I put notches on my dresses. So this is the natural waistline where I have put this notch here now. So I'm going to be marking on this line. So this is my natural waistline, but instead of me to mark on my natural waistline, I'm going to be coming down half an inch like this and mark the line. So I don't know if you guys can see this line. This is the line I have marked, and this is where my waistline is, my natural waistline. So what I'm going to do is I will take my skirt pattern, the skirt that I have already made. I'm going to take it, go to my sewing machine and turn it this way, and then I sew. When I turn it, I make sure it aligns with this line, and I will now sew half inch like that. By the time I sew the half inch like that, it will now be on the normal natural waistline. So I'll go ahead and go and sew this on my machine now and come back to you. You can see I have done exactly that, but I have to show you something here. When I was doing it, I lifted the lining and I sewed on this so that you will not see my sewing outside. Everything is hidden. So the next thing I will go ahead to do is to hold this together and use a tape and tape this so that we'll have a clean finishing at the edge. That way it will be like this. So to the back we will do the same thing. The waistline is here and I have marked the line here. So the difference with what I'm going to do now, I am going to place this here like this and notch this place. So I'll go to my machine now and close it from here to here. Let me close this and show you. So before I closed it, I had to insert the zipper, and also remember to understitch the lining so that the skirt, that place would be neat like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to do the same thing I did to the front. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this one. So I turn it over like so and sew it on it like that. By the time I'm done sewing it, it will be this neat like this. So you can see the person can remove this and lace up and, you know, close this and zip it up. But remember that there again, this I'm working for an elderly person, so I'm going to add zipper to this place and then top stitch after I'm done doing that. Remember always to take this up and put the skirt before you now close it. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now and show you guys the final outcome. I'm done joining it. You see how neat this is looking, and this is the back. Guys, can't you believe with me that this is looking so awesome, so very neat? That's the main thing. By the time you turn the back of your fabric, the back of your dress is looking all nice. You see? So this is it. I went ahead and used my fabric to make a bias for this, as you can see. There's something I have to show you for the back. So guys, this is the back, as you can see. You can zip it. So I have gone ahead to make this. Make sure you use an open and close zip so that you'll be able to open this up like so. So I have gone ahead to finish this part. As you can see how it's looking all neat. But I have to show you some things. That's why I haven't made this one. So once you are done fixing this, closing this and fixing this, then you go ahead and turn your zipper. By the time you're finished putting the zipper, this is now the time to close your zipper area, turn it around, and then go ahead and top stitch. Guys, see you on my next video. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you join part of the Lomzy team. Guys, here we teach trendy designs and very difficult sewing tutorials. So if that's what you're looking for, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our tutorials. Now guys, we have come to the end of today's video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.